Let's talk about 5 different apps and websites that can help you make extra cash during this holiday season, because let's be real, holidays can get pretty crazy expenses-wise. So number 1 on our list is Instacart. So I'm sure you guys heard of Instacart before. It is a grocery delivery service that allows shoppers to accept grocery shopping and delivery orders from local stores. And so we all know that people tend to get pretty busy during the holidays. You have a lot of cooking to do, you have a lot of shopping to do, and some people just don't have enough time to do it themselves. And that's where you can jump in and help with holiday shopping. So as an Instacart shopper, you can potentially make between $23 to $35 per hour during peak holiday times. And that will be a combination of the actual fees as well as the tips that you will receive. Now, in order to maximize your earnings, here are the few things that you can do. You can choose high demand hours such as weekends and evenings. You can aim for larger batch orders as well as offer excellent customer service to receive higher tips. So I have personally used Instacart quite a few times, especially when I was trying to order from somewhere like Costco. I just really didn't have the time or the muscles to carry all of my shopping bags. And that's where services like Instacart can be so helpful. And if you want to sign up and do something that is pretty active and is not that difficult, Instacart could be a great app for you. The next one on our list is Rover. In case you've never heard of Rover before, it is probably one of the most well-known pet sitting and dog walking apps. Because people travel during the holidays and somebody needs to look after our pets, right? You don't want to be looked after? So pretty much Rover connects pet owners with people who have experience and want to provide pet sitting services. Now for this one, you do need to have experience with pets. To get started, you can create a profile on Rover and start offering pet sitting, boarding, or dog walking services. Once approved, you can start accepting bookings. So as I mentioned, pet owners tend to travel a lot during the holidays, and sometimes it can be a total hassle to bring their pets with them. And that's where you can jump in and offer those services. Now as a Rover sitter, you can make between $20 to $50 per night for pet boarding or sitting. Now, in order to maximize your earnings, you can do things such as offer both pet boarding and house sitting to increase booking opportunities. You can also set premium holiday rates, as many owners will pay extra for peace of mind during holiday trips. So this honestly can be a pretty fun side hustle, especially if you're doing things like dog walking. You can also be outside and be active instead of being in front of the screen. So that could be a great side hustle to pick up during this holiday season so you can earn extra cash to spend on gifts for your loved ones. Oh, and speaking of gifts, high-quality jewelry has historically been one of the best gifts to give to your loved ones during the holiday season, or I don't know, just for any occasion really. However, I know it can be pretty hard to find high-quality jewelry at an affordable price. And that is why I'm so glad that in today's video, I'm once again partnering with Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand known for its affordable, high-quality pieces crafted with recycled materials and ethically sourced gemstones. What I love about Ana Luisa is that they're known for their timeless, elegant, minimalist pieces that combine beauty with eco-friendly practices. And most importantly, they allow you to elevate your style without breaking the bank. And I mean it, because some of the jewelry pieces on Ana Luisa's website start at just $39, which is very affordable, I can tell you. Now, I've shared in one of my previous videos that I've always struggled with jewelry because so many pieces that I've purchased in the past would give me an allergic reaction or give me a rash or literally leave my skin green. However, I've been wearing Ana Luisa jewelry for months now, and I can tell you that I've never had this issue. And the cool thing is that they're currently running the Black Friday promotion, so pretty much the more you buy, the more you save. But make sure to hurry up because this promotion is only available for a limited time. So if you're looking for meaningful gifts for your loved ones, make sure to check out Ana Luisa's website using my link down below to take advantage of the holiday sale. Thanks once again to Ana Luisa for partnering with me in this video, and let's get back to our apps and websites. So number 3 on our list is Airbnb Experiences. So this is a little bit different from regular Airbnb. Now, Airbnb Experiences allows hosts to offer unique guided activities to travelers. Now, the way it works is you can create a listing for an experience you can guide, such as local tours, art classes, cooking sessions, or cultural activity. Back when I lived in New York City, I actually had some friends that would offer Airbnb Experiences to do things such as take tourists around to different bars to show them around town. When I was in Paris, I actually saw that someone was providing services to where they will take you to the most photo photogenic parts of town so that you can take photos. So this can be a really great side hustle if you live somewhere very unique with a lot of tourists or a lot of people who are trying to do different fun things. And that way you can connect with different people and offer them a great time. Now, in terms of maximizing your income, you can do things like tailor your experiences with a holiday twist. For example, do holiday themed cooking or festive photo tours. And you can also offer group pricing or discounts for larger parties, such as families who often book during the holidays. Now, number 4 on our list is TaskRabbit. So I've actually covered TaskRabbit before on this channel, and this is actually one of those apps that might even have a potential to replace your full-time job. TaskRabbit connects freelancers with clients who need help with everyday tasks such as assembling furniture, repairing things around the house, and during the season, people might also need things like helping with holiday decorating, gift wrapping, and other daily tasks that, people are able to do but maybe not really want to do. So how exactly does this work? Pretty much what you need to do is to register as a tasker, list the services that you offer, and set your rates. Clients in need of help can then book your services. So in terms of the earning potential, this can obviously vary depending on the task. However, something that we all notice is that there's usually high demand around the holidays. Now, taskers can charge between $25 to $60 per hour depending on the task and location. I actually remember one year during the holidays, my manager, who was working in an office and had a very good handwriting, actually started charging people to sign their holiday cards to their clients. Like, if that's not a cool side hustle, I don't know what is. So think of some of the skills that you can offer, and you would be surprised of what kind of things that people need help with. Now, here's some tips for maximizing your income. You can offer seasonal services like holiday decorating, gift wrapping, or help with moving furniture for holiday setups. You can make sure your availability aligns with peak holiday dates, especially weekends and just before major holidays. Alright, last but not least is Turo. So Turo is a peer-to-peer car rental service that allows car owners to rent out their vehicles. A lot of people call Turo Airbnb for cars. Pretty much the way it works is you can list your car on Turo with availability and pricing, and renters can book your vehicle for a set period of time. Now, obviously during the holidays season, there are a lot of people who are traveling or they're coming out of town, and a lot of times they need access to cars. And as a Turo host, you can charge between $30 to $100 per day, depending on the car type and location. So make sure that you're looking at the peak days around the major holidays. So the next thing, if you happen to have like a premium car or an SUV or like a larger car, you can also charge a little bit more than people who are renting out their sedans. And then lastly, what you can also do, obviously depends on your time and availability, but you can also start offering things like airport pickups or delivery services to offer more convenience to your clients. Alright guys, and that is it on the unique ways that you can earn extra cash during the holidays so that you can cover extra expenses or buy better gifts for your loved ones or for yourself. And once again, don't forget to check out the Ana Luisa's website using my link down below to take advantage of the Black Friday sale. So I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, I actually think you're going to like this one as well. So make sure you're utilizing these apps and maximizing your time during the holiday season. Thank you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!